So welcome, my name is John Welsh. I am the Outreach Specialist for Back on Track, part of Gateway. And as you've already been able to start to work with me, if we're working towards admissions, intake, this is going to be the first step into the building that you take. As you come through our front door, you're going to be meeting with our security staff to be able to start to work with you directly to kind of get you prepared for the experience ahead of you and your recovery experience as well. So this is our conference room. We use it as one of our group rooms for our guys to be able to do, when we're doing groups that have more interaction or an activity, to be able to have the space to be able to do it or come together at a table to work together collaboratively, whether we're working on teamwork or whatever we may be doing to help improve their skill sets. This is one of our outdoor group areas where, especially depending on the season, we like to bring our clients outside, get some fresh air, sometimes when it's warm, when it's a little cool, but just to get some different experiences as they're going through their group material and to be able to learn and kind of get that grounded feeling and getting back to nature. This is one of our bedrooms. Most of our bedrooms are going to look very similar, where each individual has their own bed, their own closet, nightstand to be able to store all of their belongings. They also have the ability to lock it up and secure it as they need to, so that way they have peace of mind and they can decide what needs to be where. They are in charge of their own space to help build some of that responsibility. And for those that are really good at it, awesome, and it's able to show. For those that need to build it, then it gives that ability as well. This is one of our gathering spaces, or one of the common areas that the gentlemen, during some of our downtime or some of our structured activity time, where kind of they get to interact with peers or even just kind of decompress again or reflect with their peers on some of the materials they've been learning throughout the day, where they have access to TV, chess, games, even just a couch to sit on if they need to for a little while, and kind of take stock of their day. This is one of our therapist offices where our clients are able to meet individually with their counselor, get one-on-one counseling, to also work on their needs, working towards treatment planning, and kind of general concerns, including some of their case management and anything else they might need to help propel them forward. Welcome to our cafeteria. This is where our gentlemen are able to kind of come relax between groups and also be able to get our meals. All of our meals are served through here, through our cafeteria. They have the ability to do and sit wherever they would like, to be able to kind of just decompress. So that way it gives them a space to be able to reflect, and also then tables to be able to work between groups to spread out, work on their different treatment work or whatever they would like to at that point. Welcome to our workout room. Anytime between groups or during free time, individuals are able to come over here, whether that's to build some routine, to work out some energy, to be able to build some other coping skills as well, and be able to also practice some of those pro-social skills working with other individuals. Welcome. This is our telemed office. This is where individuals can receive the medical care that they need. We have a contractor, it's Community Health Net, that comes in. They are a federally qualified healthcare provider, and they're able to meet with all of our individuals to help meet their medical needs. They are able to meet with them on site in person, but also, as you can see behind me, they meet with them through telemed to be able to meet all of the needs the client may have and either coordinate it for on-site care if it's something that needs to be done off-site, or especially if it's a part of an aftercare thing, to be able to help coordinate that so the client doesn't miss a beat when it comes to their medical care. Welcome to our Level 3 group room. For our program, we have a level system, and as people are here, they start to progress up. For Level 3, it's our highest level, and it's for those individuals that have really shown some dedication into their own recovery, into groups, into participation, and they're starting to build those final skills for transition to start working their way back to home or whatever that situation might be for them. And as a result, they're having group with individuals of like mind that have really invested in themselves to really allow the groups to go to an even deeper level if they've kind of shaken off some of maybe those early grumpies or trying to figure out what recovery means to them. Thank you for joining us on our tour. As I'm leaving you, if you have any questions that have come up, please feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is going to be area code 814-825-0373, and then my direct extension is going to be 2930, and I'll gladly answer any questions or kind of comments or concerns you may have. Thank you.